Hey ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the human ear. So external ear anatomy is essentially just composed of this thing. This is your auricle or pinna. It acts as a funnel to direct sound into that hole right there, which is your external acoustic meatus or auditory canal, if you want to think of it that way. External acoustic meatus always makes me laugh because in Latin that's literally outside side sound hole. So they can get pretty specific sometimes. If we move a little bit further in and we remove our auricle or pinna, you can see the external acoustic meatus a little bit better. And if you look down inside, you can actually see the tympanic membrane or the ossicles behind it if you look very closely. If we remove part of the bone here, you can see the structures of the inner ear, and that includes our cochlea, which contains the spiral organ of the corti, and then our vestibular apparatus, which consists of the vestibule, which is kind of the bulgy part in the bottom, and then our three semicircular canals. Now you do need to know the names of these semicircular canals. So you have the one that comes forward like this is your anterior semicircular canal. The one that kind of loops around to the back is the posterior semicircular canal. And the one that comes off the side here is your lateral semicircular canal. So make sure you know the names of your semicircular canals. Now remember, the information from the vestibule comes through the vestibular nerve, the information from the cochlea comes into the brain through the cochlear nerve, and they join together to form the vestibulocochlear nerve right here. Now, if we remove this part of the model, you can see our tympanic membrane, which vibrates as sound vibrations come through the external acoustic meatus, and that transfers those sound vibrations through our three ossicles. So you can kind of see the little stapes here, looks like a stirrup. You can see the malleus, which kind of looks like a hammer here, and then this right here would be the incus. If we look more toward the medial side of the ear model, heading into the inner ear, you'll notice two holes. We have what's called the oval window here, and then the round window here. Now it's the oval window that transfers the sound from the ossicles into the spiral organ in the cochlea. The round window, on the other hand, remember these are fluid-filled areas with membranes. So a membrane would actually cover this opening as well as this opening here, the oval and the round window. As the oval window vibrates, as the sound vibrations come in, you have to relieve some of the pressure from the vibrations, so the round window actually bulges out. So those are the parts of the ear model you need to be responsible for, so make sure you know them for your first lab quiz.